This video will show you how to change the source of the image using different buttons. On the click of the button, the image that is in a placeholder here in a simple image tag. There is no source defined at this point. The ID has been set to image. The width is 100 just to show the image box. Now we have 4 buttons here. Each button has a on-click event, each calling a different function. Right now I have not written any JavaScript here, so let's start with that. For the script you need to do it in the head part using the script tag. Now in the script tag, first let's define the 4 functions. It was FB, and then we have Insta, and Snap. Right now I'm just going to call an alert functions use an alert function to display an alert so that we can know that if the function is being rightly called or not. Facebook. I'm just going to copy paste the So this is our source file. Let's see, when you click on it, this alert will appear. This is just for checking that proper functions are being called or not. As you know that we need to, this is an event onClick, and onClick event will call the function, the name of the function and the round brackets, and this is the text on the button. There is no form, as we don't need to submit any kind of information. It's a simple button. So button type button, as we discussed earlier, we can have input type button as well, but again we don't need a form input, so we are not using the input tag, we're just simply using the button tag. Now on this click, we have to get this element, the image element that has the ID image, and define the source, change the source. So first, how to get the element, again will be using image, variable image. So in the script, either you can define this variable image separately outside all the functions, or using the same variable you can define in every function, so its scope will change. Document dot get element by ID dot now dot element by ID, and image is the name of our ID. I want to display in an alert box that what is this image contain when we are calling it. So we have image. This is another separate variable, or we can have, for example, image FB. It's up to you, it's just for distinguishing it. F12. See, there is object HTML image element. It is basically returning an object. Now this object is a proper image tag. what we need to change, what we need to do is to change the source of this image. Okay, so we have seen that this image FB is a full image tag. So what do we need to do? Image FB dot now every method of the tag or every property of the tag can be set using the dot notation. Image FB dot src equal to, now I have saved these on the file and all the image names here, so I don't need to provide any. I will just simply give the image names. As you can see, using the same way, what we can do, I'm just simply going to copy paste image I think it's Instagram using the same copy paste method. I'm not going to change the image variable. Now this image variable is defined in the Twitter function and it will remain here. This image variable is a different instance, so they are not related in any way. Only this image name is the ID of the tag image. Twitter, and the same way we're going to do for the Snapchat, just changing the name of the image, Snap. So now let's see the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Snapchat. This is how you can use different images on button clicks. With the same image, this is one tag image and you are changing the source of the image on the click of the button. So even it can be used to apply different colors. For example, you can change the background color, or you can have the same image with different colors. That will look like that the color of the image is being changed.